Hey guys, as you know, social media has been a game changer for marketing, but can be overwhelming and unsuccessful if you don't know where to start or have a plan in place. In this video, I will cover 3 ways on how to use social media to promote your business. So stay tuned to find out how.
All right, let's get right into it. Number 1, increase discoverability. The first 30 minutes of a post going live is the most important. You want it to get likes, comments, and shares as fast as possible because this will increase visibility of your content and reach a larger audience. It's important to know each platform's algorithm to understand this better. So spend a little extra time creating valuable content that will get engagement right off the bat. A good way to do this is to start a conversation by asking a question and getting people's opinions and thoughts by using polls, and don't forget video content like a live stream Q&A. Increasing discoverability ties us into number 2, which is using social as a search engine. Another way to increase discoverability is by utilizing location tagging and hashtags. People searching for a specific place or keyword use these features to find what they are looking for. Soon, picture and voice search will dominate search engines, so Instagram will become a huge factor in this. Having an Instagram page is the first step, but making your page discoverable is the next. So back to what I said earlier, use location tagging and hashtags. And now on to number 3, what to do with outbound links. Yes, you're still going to use them, but in a different way. Since every platform wants you to stay on their site, you'll have to do a little workaround to not putting outbound links in the main body of your content. A great way to do this is by putting your link as the first comment on the post. On LinkedIn, you can then copy the link to the comment and place that in the body of your updated post. I know it's a little hacky, but by doing this, you'll increase your post reach by over 100%. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the links below for more information. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on new content.